Well, good late morning. We're getting started here. We're going to be doing some river fishing today, fly fishing. I've got a 7 foot 5 or 6 weight rod with 5 or 6 weight line. And what I'm going to be using here is I'm going to be using a hopper that I just a Walmart cheapo hopper, right? That I put fingernail polish remover or fingernail polish on. It's kind of like an orangish pink. They tend to want to hit on the top on this pink color for some reason. I was having a strike indicator and they kept hitting on the strike indicator a couple years ago, and so this is what I did. Then I dropped that down. I tie the tippet line right to the hook and I drop it down to a nymph, bead-headed nymph. On this in this case it's a little bit of a greenish color, possibly for like a caddis nymph or some other nymph that's in the water, and that's what I'll be using. Brecken's got this sick, nasty looking hopper on here that looks just fantastic. Look at that. I think that's what Jason, I got Jason out here and Brecken out here today. I think that's what they're both going to be starting with, is these hoppers. And then he's got a nymph, just a prince, beadhead prince nymph on the end. And so we're going to see what we can do here. And so we're going to get going. Heading back to the hole back here. It's kind of nice back in the UP here in this back country when it's got tight weeds and whatnot to have a little bit of a shorter pole. I'm sure Brecken's already started casting in the honey hole.
Not yet. I'm waiting for you.
You gonna let me cast in it?
Yeah, I'll let you cast it.
All right, thanks. Look at this nice spot, this big slab. I don't know how deep it is back in here, but I feel like this spot right here in front of this, behind this rock, might be pretty good here. I'm afraid I'm gonna slip and fall in and die. You gotta pay attention. Oh, there's one. Right on the hopper. Oh, beautiful.
What is it, brook?
Yeah, it's a nice brook. There's fish in here at least, huh?
Oh, I got one too. Oh, I had a hit. I'm not very good at setting the hook, I guess. Now I got a snag. How big is it?
Oh, 6 inches maybe. Not bad for these kind of rivers here. Oh, I lost it. Ooh, that's a beautiful cast. Come on now. What do you got up in there? Anything in there?
Dad, you picked up some seaweed and you brought it towards me.
My bad. Oh, I missed him. Dang it! Might be too small. Might be too small to catch. There we go. There we go. Caught there. I can't see him. He's up against my... Oh, look how tiny he is. Whew. But I got him. Well, we got him. So he hit at the hopper, and then after he hit the hopper, he ate the nymph. So beautiful little brook trout. Almost looks like he's a rainbow, but he's a brook. So put him back in here so we can get a good nice picture of him. But it's hard on him when it's hot out like this, so we try to just... All right, there you go, buddy. Here you go. There we go. Well, that's 2 for the day. That making me feel pretty good. There. This is the smallest fish you will ever see caught in your entire life.
I think mine was smaller.
Bro.
Yeah, mine was
You got to get this on video. You got to get this. Do you see this?
Yeah, I saw it. Mine was smaller.
That's why we were not being able to catch them, because they're literally like so tiny.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not even sure that's a trout.
No, that's what my...
Oh, there's a storm, was a fisherman.